Welcome back to Trimble Tech. I thought today we would do something different. We would be looking at AI and I want to see how good it is. We're going to be comparing Claude and ChatGPT, and this is my test today, right? I'm working on a new video of free best Mac apps, and I have come to Reddit and I went in the Mac app subreddit, and I'm going to select everything in here. As you see, this post is about 9 months old and there's lots of good data. So what I'm going to do now is copy everything, and I'm going to put Claude AI against ChatGPT and ask it to extract just a list of free apps, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison to see, which one is ready for prime time. I've got no idea. This is doing it live. All right, so we've got Claude and we got ChatGPT here. So I'm going to put the same prompt into both of these. So it says analyze all of these programs from the r/Mac apps subreddit. List the files in list format. Highlight only the free ones. Do not list anything that is paid. I only want free recommended apps, and if the apps were mentioned, if the free apps were mentioned, more than once, be sure to highlight that in bold in the table output format. So my prompt has changed a little bit. So I'm going to say, we'll move that out here. Let's see if this makes sense. Analyze all these programs for the RMac app subreddit. All these, let's say, Mac apps/programs from the. Then highlight only the free ones. Do not list anything that is paid. I only want free recommended apps, and if there is a free apps, and if the free apps were mentioned more than once, be sure to highlight in bold in table output. Highlight in bold. I'm going to fix this prompt again. I want the output in table format, and I'm going to say next to the app name, give me a description of what the app does. I think that is pretty clear. I'm going to put that in ChatGPT. I'm using this Sonnet and Claude and for ChatGPT. All right, now let me paste in my data. Let me go back to the subreddit. There we go. Copy these back and minimize this again. All right, here we go. Paste that in, and all right. So we got a little bit of extra stuff in here that we can probably take out. You probably should have cleaned this up a little bit, but hey, that's the point. That's the point of this application, right? To see what it can extract from it. And you can see I'm not using the web search with ChatGPT this round. I'll do the web search the next time. Claude, as far as I know, still doesn't let you do any type of web searches. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press enter, and let's see what we get. Or upload and upload. All right. Let's see how we are doing. So looks like Raycast was mentioned a couple times. Homebrew. Again, we'll compare these things side by side and see what the output is. Okay, so they both got homebrew, and let's see what else we got here. App Cleaner was highlighted here, but only once on the ChatGPT. Let's see, Alt Tab. Let's see. So definitely look at this. We got two different outputs here. Let me minimize this. There we go. And let's see what we got here. So yeah, we definitely got some differences already. You know what? It might be easier. I'd say arrange list from A to Z. Let me do that. I'll do the same thing here. If I can get my chat back. How do I get this chat back? You know? Code. I want code. I want my chat styles. Open components. Anyway, here we go. That's what I found it. All right. Arrange A to Z. This might make it easier. I'm going to say check your work because I don't know. Look, so, all right, let me close this. I'm going to say double check your work. Don't be lazy. Make sure it is really free before you include it. Same thing here. All right, and go. Let's see if we get anything different here. Well, that's interesting. It's certainly not being lazy. It's certainly got some graphics here, which is pretty cool. I read that ChatGPT and Claude are furiously indexing the web. Okay, so it looks like free and open source. Okay, so this must be the difference here. Background music, better display. Now, better display I know is a free trial. I should probably say clarify this. Let's say don't include free trials. I can't read that because my face is on the screen, but don't include free trials. I want open source or free software only. Okay, and we fix that spelling, include, all right. Okay, that time I said don't be lazy and it only gave me the output. Okay, so looks like in this one, I'm gonna, well, let's do one more thing before I declare a winner here. This time I'm going to search the web. We'll say, okay, try again, but this time check your work against the web. Okay, so I think I see one of the problems here is that it searched the web, but it did not only include stuff from the list. I'm going to say only include sources and apps that were mentioned in the r/macapps subreddit. You gotta stay on top of this thing, man. All right, here we go. So we got a match on background music. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So free to open source map apps. And okay. Go Kika, Malwarebytes, Only, Switch, Raycast, Rectangle, Seashore, Stats, Tailscale. Very good. It says they are free. They don't have a subscription or paid upgrade. So that looks good. That looks good. Let's see. Okay. All right. So create a list in table format with the app, a hyperlink, and a description and version number. And I'll say one more. Yeah, no, that's good. Version number. Let's see if we can do that here. I doubt it, but I'm curious if we can do that. Let's see what we got. And again, as far as I know, maybe it does search the web. But then, let's see. Or the reference is old. Let's see. Well, it says January 2025. Let's